Hello, welcome to this SignPlanet tutorial where we'll look at the basic functions on SignPlanet. This is the SignPlanet homepage. The site is divided into two main sections. It's kids and carers. If you're a parent, student, or you're going to put a kid onto the site, then this is for you. If you're the teacher of a deaf student or presenting classes in sign language, you'll find teachers and trainers most useful. Other things on the homepage are the sign language news section down here, and there's a site news section up the top which details new features and events on the site. You'll notice that the language has been automatically selected as Auslan because I'm in Australia right now, but you can always change this by clicking the change language link. Most people want to jump straight in, so we'll do a search for the sign for blue. In Auslan we get two direct matches. In each one we get a video of our avatar signing Simon, along with written instructions on performing the sign. Sometimes there's also a hint to help us remember the sign, and in Australia sometimes signs differ between regions, so the state the sign is most common in is shown, although it's best to know both. Below the state usage notes we see an outline image of the sign and the categories that the sign is in. So if I want to see more colour signs, I can just click the link. It shows me a whole lot of signs in the category of colours. Below the direct matches, we see other matches. We get to see unusual because of the phrase out of the blue, and depressed and sad, as in feeling blue. If you're a subscriber and logged in, we can click on the full listing link where we get a larger listing along with the link to the English definition for the word. If you want to print the sign, you can click on the outline image of the sign. And select print. Or we can do it from the previous screen. On a Mac you'll need to click Control and then click on the image. In the bottom right hand corner you'll see a link to the other sign for blue, and anywhere on the site you'll see the SignPlanet logo in the top left of the screen, and we can click that to get back to the home page. One of the strengths of SignPlanet is that it's not just a video dictionary, but its printability. Subscribers can use a variety of pages to create their own resources, but there's also a bank of pre-made resources that people commonly use, and we're always adding more, so please email us and let us know what you'd like to see. So if we click on printables and activities and games, or ready to print, over here you'll see a list of worksheets, posters, cards and booklets. You need to be logged in to get all of them, but some of them are open access. These are only the most popular resources, so it's best to run a search. Let's say I'm going to a farm with a deaf student, and so I'd like some activities to do before or after the trip. If I search for farm, find it returns farm animal activities. If I click the button, and as most computers already have the reader installed, it opens in the browser ready for viewing and printing. In this one there's two worksheets and a bingo game. The call cards can be used for a variety of games, or you can cut them up for labels or flashcards, or print two sets and make a memory game. If we go back to the home page again, you find you can also get printables of songs by clicking on songsheets. A good way to test your knowledge and have a bit of fun is to try one of our online games. There's an older version of the sign picture matchup, and also an emotions matching game that's over on the mobile site at m.signplanet.net. You can choose your level or topic, and then you just have to click on the picture that matches the sign. If you want something a bit more fast-paced, try the Animals Memory game. I find anything under 1 minute, and I'm doing pretty well with this one. So that covers the basics of SignPlanet, and I'll be giving you an in-depth look at some of the resource creators and the e-learning tutorials in future videos. Thanks for listening.